Welcome back to the session. Today, our topic is equipotential surface. What is equipotential surface? A surface on which all the points are at the same potential, we call it as the equipotential surface. Let us consider the charge plus Q, a source of isolated point charge. It has a concentric surface of the electric field. In the outermost circle, the electric field is constant at everywhere. Therefore, the net work done is zero by moving a charge from one point to another. So, an equipotential surface will have the same potential at everywhere. If the charge is to be moved between any 2 points on an equipotential surface through any point, the work done is zero. Isn't it? This is because the potential differences between the 2 points of A and B is defined as the potential differences B to A, BB minus of VA is equal to work done A to B by charge Q. If the value of potential VA which is equal to VB, then the net work done from A to B is equal to 0. Hence, the electric field line must be normal to an equipotential surface. In case of uniform field, equipotential surface are the parallel planes with the surfaces perpendicular to the lines of electric field is a region around the point charge. Let us consider the charge Q, the electric field which is at P, which can be considered. The force experienced by the point P depends upon the charges. If they are the same charges, the force is repulsive. Unlike charges, the force is attractive. Therefore, the net electric field is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R squared into R cap, where R is the distances between the source charge and the point P, where R cap represent to the unit vector. Electric potential. Electric potential is nothing but the amount of work done by moving a charge from reference point to particular point against the electric field. Here Q is the charge, it produces an electric field. Now we are going to move the charge from P to P, which means a reference point to another point. Here work done is against the electric force. So the electric force which is going to be calculated, the initial point of the charge is from right to left. Therefore, the work done is equal to force into distance, ds. The value of force which is equal to Q into E. We know that electric field intensity is equal to force experienced by a unit positive charge kept at that point. Henceforth, force is equal to Q into E. Therefore, the net work done is equal to Q naught into integration of E into ds. Here Q naught represent to the testing charge. Therefore, work done by testing charge is equal to integration of E into ds. Thank you. The value of work done is equal to W divided by Q naught. The potential V is equal to minus of integration of E into ds.